Hi guys, it's John here, and this is a quick look at EasyBlock Horde. So EasyBlock Horde is basically a project from the EasyBlock team which allows you to get into the Horde ecosystem for as little as $10. So I'm also doing a giveaway with the developer of EasyBlock Horde. So 2 lucky people are going to win $50 worth of shares, and there's going to be 10 lucky winners who are going to win 5 NFTs. So stick around to find out more information about that later on in the video. So you can buy a single share here, as you can see, and it will cost you around $10. You can see here I've got a discount, but I'll go through that shortly. But yeah, you can enter Horde for as little as $10. Now, it's not massively expensive to get into Horde. You can get into Horde for around $100. You can buy yourself a soul rune here, and that costs $100. But what EasyBlock is doing is allowing you to get in for a very small amount, but it does also have some additional benefits on top. So the main benefit that EasyBlock Horde has over Horde itself is that the fact once you've bought your shares here, they will last forever. So there's no 300-day expiry on your shares. They will continue to generate rewards for as long as Horde is going. So how is that done exactly? Well, you can read through the FAQ, obviously. Basically, 33% of all rewards are going to be going to purchasing new plots anyway. So no matter what you do, 33% of rewards from EasyBlock Horde are going to be going back into getting new plots. So that means you will basically be earning a bit less than Horde itself. You'll be getting about 0.66% daily, but that's still a stupidly good amount really when you think about the fact this is a daily income that you're going to get back. So you may be wondering, I've already got a couple of plots here and a soul stone. You may be wondering why I would even consider going into EasyBlock Horde. And like I said, because of the fact these are going to expire in less than 300 days and then I'll have to buy some new ones or compound, it's better to just go into EasyBlock Horde, in my opinion, and purchase some shares, and these will continue to give out, like I say, 0.66% per day for the rest of the time that the Horde project is running. Now, obviously no one knows how long that'll be, but it's been doing pretty well so far, so hopefully it's got a lot more life left in it. It's also quicker to compound in EasyBlock Horde, so you can see here you need 100 days to buy another plot, but on the other hand, if you get shares in EasyBlock, you have enough to buy more shares in just a single month. So you can see compounding is another feature that EasyBlock Horde has. The other benefit as well, you can actually sell your shares. So obviously when you go into Horde, all your capital is lost and put into the system, but here in EasyBlock do get the possibility to sell back your shares, losing 10%, which to be fair isn't bad at all whilst doing so. This is of course subject to change depending obviously on how much investment there is in the system. So as you can see here, you can buy a share for about $10 and you will be paid directly in BUSD into your MetaMask every time there is a payment. Currently that's set to every 10 days and that may change as time goes on. So the other nice thing is that if you own one or more of the EasyClub NFTs, you actually get a discount on your purchases on EasyBlock Horde. So that's why, as you can see here, I've got a 9% discount because I own 9. It does only go up to a maximum of 9%, but if you own 9 EasyClub NFTs, you're actually getting a discount on your purchase. So it's a win-win situation really, in my opinion. It's an everlasting system for as long as the project lasts, and you don't have to worry about expiring. You can auto-compound. And what I've done is just put a quick calculator together here so that you can actually calculate exactly how much you can potentially make from joining EasyBlock Horde. So let's say you're going to buy 10 shares. That's going to cost you about $99. Now you can see here, I haven't got a discount at the moment. If you scroll to the right here, you can see you can add how many NFTs you've got. So I've got 9. So that's going to give me a 9% discount. So the final cost will be $90, and that's going to give you a daily return of 59 cents or a 10-day return, which is the current payment schedule. Every 10 days you'll get just under $6. So I'm considering buying 100 shares here, so that should give me $58 every 10 days, which is just over $176 per month. Now the ROI is also a bit higher than EasyBlock Horde, so rather than 100 days at 1% a day, it's going to be 168, which isn't too bad at all. That's still a really good return on investment if you ask me. So let's go through purchasing some shares and see how it works. Okay, so we're going to go for 100 shares here. That's 902 BUSD. So we're going to have to approve this first. And just confirm the transaction. Okay, so it's all running on the Binance Smart Chain, so it's nice and cheap. So like I said, I'm going to buy 100 shares here, and they've already got, as you can see, 3 plots, and this only launched yesterday, so there's already 31 people who have joined and a total investment of 3,300. So let's stick another 100 shares worth in. You see here that's now popped up. We can now afford another plot, and there'll be 4 plots in total shortly. So the first scheduled distribution date is going to be the 27th of August, but that's as easy as it is. Now you can also refer your friends. I'll put my link in the description if you wish to join via my link. That's much appreciated. And basically, once you refer someone, you get 1% of their purchases, which are directly deposited into your MetaMask. So that's quite a nice little feature there. And also, I did forget to mention that if you have NFTs, not only will you get a discount on your purchase, but you'll here get 10% of protocol fees distributed to any VIP EasyClub holders. Now, to be a VIP, you must own 5 or more EasyClub NFTs, as you can see here. So it's definitely worth getting 5 if possible. And obviously, you can enter the giveaway at the end of this video to actually win either 5 NFTs or $50 worth of shares. So just a quick roundup then of why I think this is better than investing directly into Horde. So you do get 0.66% daily, so that is slightly less, but that is for the life of the project and there's no time limit. You get up to a 9% discount on your purchases, so you're actually saving money whilst purchasing EasyBlock shares. And also, being a VIP member, you get the added bonus of getting a proportion of the distribution fees every month as well, so that's really worth having. So overall, this is actually a lot better than Horde itself. Like I said, I'm already actually in Horde, and I'm quite happy now to obviously carry on with what I have here, but now just start putting money into EasyBlock Horde instead, as I think this is a much better system overall. Okay, so giveaway time. So like I said, 2 winners are going to win $50 worth of EasyBlock Horde shares, and 10 lucky winners are going to win 5 EasyClub NFTs. So that will give you the discount on purchasing shares. So both really good prizes to be won. So all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and just comment down below your favorite thing about EasyBlock or EasyBlock Horde itself, and we'll use the random comment picker to select a winner, and the announcement will be made in a month's time just to give everyone enough time to enter. So as this video is releasing on the 19th of August, we'll go for the 19th of September for the announcement of the winners. So again, just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and just leave a comment down below regarding what you like about EasyBlock itself, or specifically EasyBlock Horde, and the winners will be chosen at random in a month's time. If you have any questions at all, do leave them down below. I'll also put links to all the official documentation in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to enter the competition, and I'll announce the winner on the 19th of September. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.